Hey folks, I can't think of another time where there's been a greater need to be able to collaborate really effectively with our colleagues, our clients, and our partners. Since the spread of COVID-19, teams all over the world have been dispersed. They're working from home HQ, very leafy in my case, and are grappling with what effective online working actually looks like. And it turns out that it's pretty tough. So in Basis, we've been agonizing for ages about what great online work looks like for us. And I guess if we were going to do more of it, we wanted to feel good about it. We wanted to, hand on heart, be able to say that our work online would be as engaging and as impactful as the work that we would normally do with people in the room and in person. So we did a whole bunch of research and training for ourselves in how to do this really effectively, and we put that learning into practice on real projects and learned from the experience. Through a bit of trial and error, we got pretty good at it. In the last year or so, we've worked with multinational charities, with governments, with social enterprises, all of whom are trying to solve really messy societal problems, and we've been able to help them to make progress in that aim. And a lot of that work has been done online. So we know that our clients and our partners are trying to figure out how to do this stuff too. So we've put together a training course called Online Consulting and Facilitation, which aims to help people build the skills and confidence they need to do great work online regardless of where they're based. So what does the course cover? Well, it's not a webinar for starters. It's, like all our training, immersive and experiential. You work in small groups to wrestle with the course content and to figure out how you can apply it in your own world, in your own work, because that's where the real learning happens. We cover the tools and technology that you can use to enhance collaboration. We talk about how to structure your events and the facilitation techniques that you can use to ensure that they're consistently engaging and participative. But I suppose the most important thing is that this training is an example of what we think is possible when it comes to delivering great online sessions. We want you to leave the session with a super positive mindset about the possibilities of online working, because if you focus on the negatives and on the limitations, then that attitude kind of permeates the rest of your team. It sort of infects them, and we need to address that. We want you to leave this training feeling excited about running your next online session. Who's it for? Well, in the last 3 or 4 months, we've trained up teams in big charities, in think tanks, in central and local government, loads of independent consultants and agile coaches who are working in a variety of different sectors and fields. Basically, this is aimed at anybody who needs to run online meetings, sessions, workshops, conferences, and wants to make sure that they are consistently dynamic, engaging, and participative. Whether you're a seasoned facilitator or not, I'm pretty confident that you will get something out of the training. So far, people seem to think that it's pretty good, and we've got some really nice feedback about it. So Kate, perhaps if you can put some feedback here. I don't know where this is going to go, wherever there is a space, it'll be up there somewhere. And if you want to find out more about it, then you can get in contact with us via comms@basis.co.uk, which is here, or just check out our website, which is basis.co.uk. If you want to speak directly with me, then you can email me. I'm a romantic, why not? At joe@basis.co.uk, and you can find all the socials when you're on the website. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. If you're interested, get in touch, and yeah, catch you in the training.